National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
This is
southeastern Monona County, northwestern
an
Harrison County,
99.9
and
KGOR,
southwestern
by the way,
Iowa,
guys.
southeastern central
I don't know
Washington County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Herman, or 8 miles southeast of Tequila, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Caleb.
Warning for Monona County, northwestern Harrison County, and southwestern Iowa until 5:45 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located. Hail damage heading from here on Wanted to Little Sioux. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Burt and Washington, and Harrison, Iowa. Per hour wind gust with these storms. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage. The greatest chance for severe hail in the storm will be near Ottawa, Blumcoal, and Castana. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 95 and 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county, Harrison, Iowa.
Yep, confirm yes.
At 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor building. Repeating, a thunderstorm warning has been issued 5:45 p.m. for the following county, Harrison, Iowa.